Okay, so this is perfect for those of you out there who have motorcycles or ATVs that you have sitting up over the winter time or during a period while you're gone and you're not going to be around, just to keep the battery nice and full and ready. It's the battery Tender Plus 12 volt battery charger and maintainer, 1.25 amp power sport battery charger and maintainer for motorcycles, ATVs, UTVs, smart 12 volt automatic float charger. So once your battery's full after plugging it up to this thing, you're able to keep it charged because it drip charges and keeps it just full enough so that when you're ready to go, it's fully charged, but not overpowering the battery, not overextending itself. And then when you put the battery back, you're able to put these cables in on the terminals and plug it in using this thing on the end of it, which goes to that, which goes directly to this, so that you never have to take your battery off your bike again. Whenever you need a jump, you just plug it in all up, because these will be sitting on the side of your bike, tuck them in somewhere, connected to the battery. All right, we're doing this for the first time, so we have to take it out. Once we put it back, we'll be sure to put these in there and charge it up next time using this thing connected to that. It's a great buy.